my crazy family, and welcome back to another Life on the Farm. Yeah, on a chicken farm. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm riding my bike right now. It's so little, it's gonna be hard to videotape while I'm on a bike. Sorry if it's a little bumpy. That's the Life on the Farm. It rocks. And there's still people working here right now. We gotta zoom it in so we get concentrated. Okay, there we go. That's it. Sorry. It's hard. Okay. See, this is the Life on the Farm. Try not to wiggle it. So, the farm, the chickens are inside. That thing we have a little teensy weensy house. That is, I'll turn around for y'all guys. Way back there. I'll turn it sideways. Right there. Okay. Let's zoom in. Looks like my daddy is mowing the grass. Grab the phone. Okay. I'm videotaping on the camera. My beautiful, loving camera. That I'm making. That's my sister. She passed me because I'm holding the phone while I'm driving. We saw some little baby raccoons. So if y'all can't see my face, I'm fixing to turn it towards my face. This is our dirt road right now. It's fixing to rain. So get in a place.
Let's race!
Oh, we're racing again. You're gonna have to go easy on me. I'm holding the phone.
I am too. I can race with one hand.
We're not
With no hands. I'm not taking that chance.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait.
Set. Go. See, I can race with one hand. And you gotta turn here.
Hey, that ain't no fair.
I swear it's got feet on it.
Your time, they're there. Run! There's a mower behind me. It's coming fast. I mean fast, it's coming super duper fast. Sorry behind me. Sorry. It's so bouncy, so much rocks. There's a one. Shh, don't say anything. Let's go. Okay. Guys, that was close. Okay. Ooh, that was so close. Gotta go back to my dad. Did your chain pop off? There's my sister. Her chain popped off, so I basically won.
No, I won.
We came in a tie.
No, we didn't. I won.
Uh-uh.
Yes, watch the replay.
Leave in the comments if she won or I won. Stop it.
Haley.
Okay, there she is.
I
Her
won.
with the yellow t-shirt or me.
That's green.
I'm in green t-shirt or me with a baseball t-shirt.
I'm Monica. She's Haley. Don't forget to subscribe. And
Let's leave.
Haley, you're supposed to take it easy.
Make sure to take it easy.
Hold on.
Make sure to take it easy.
Say. Take it easy.
Lemon squeeze.
No,
Okay,
yes.
let's retry. We gotta back up.
No, stay right here.